Jumping straight into our number 10 spot, we have Adrena-Line. And whilst we will not be having the adrenaline rush of soaring 640 foot through the air or reaching speeds of up to 155 miles per hour, you will certainly have a thrilling experience. And what I love so much about this is that with it being a suspended coaster, you will be dangling your legs throughout all of its 20-meter high twists and turns. Number 9. Who wants to get soaked on one of those hot Arabian days? Well, if that's you, then look no further than the park's family log flume, Zoomaflooma.
For your safety, please keep your arms and legs inside the boat at all times.
Telling the story of the Nahari and their efforts to conserve and protect the water surrounding the land, you will begin your adventure upon a winding village stream. Although, as you just saw, the waters can be quite unpredictable, and those winding village streams can quickly turn into 13-meter waterfalls, getting everybody in your group absolutely soaked. Number 8. From one water ride to the next, we now have the Big Splash. And trust me when I say you should definitely judge this book by its cover. 'Cause just like a super wet drop tower, once you have made it to the tippy top and paused for what feels like an eternity, you and the other thrill seekers will plunge straight into a pool of water, creating, as the name suggests, a big splash. Number 7. While some people would prefer water rides and others would prefer coasters, there is no question that combining both of them into one ride would be the best. This is Sawmill Falls. Yet for me, what makes it saw past the competition, amongst all the sawmill puns I can make, is that you can share all of those laughs, cheers and screams with the rest of your group, with there being 4 thrill seekers per row and 4 rows per boat. Number 6. As much as you cannot have a theme park without a water ride, or in this park's case, a 640-foot coaster, neither could you have one without a one-of-a-kind attraction, and Stallion is certainly that. Because just like riding a motorcycle along a 40-foot high twisting and turning needle, by using the speed-adjusting handlebars, the front rider can decide how fast or slow you go. And for this reason, be sure to get to this ride earlier on, as queues can get quite long. Number 5. Did you love your childhood swing set? Well, of course you did, and so look no further than Gyrospin, which has taken that experience to new heights. And that is no exaggeration, as in addition to spinning around and around, you will also swing up to 53 meters high, making this by far the world's tallest swing set. Number 4. From soaring high in the sky to creating giant splashes to just now experiencing a swing set like no other, we have already experienced some thrilling attractions. Yet what is about to come in the next 4 spots are truly indescribable. This marvel of engineering is Colossus, and whilst to many it may only look like a standard wooden roller coaster, that sensation of flying through the air time after time at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour is something that both the young and old thrill seekers will fall in love with. And thus leaves just one question remaining. Do you have what it takes to bring on the Colossus? Number 3. Now do not get me wrong, I am definitely one of those people who love the unique rides. Nevertheless, Iron Rattler has taken unique and turned it into borderline insane. And whilst I think it is fairly obvious to see why, I'll explain anyway. Once you have made it up the lift hill and round the corner, you'll meet the end of the track. At this point, instead of going backwards or just being able to take in the beautiful views across the park, that track will then begin to tilt till you are both facing directly down and screaming your lungs out. Oh yeah, and did I forget to mention that after all of that, you will make your way around a twisty, turning, inverting layout, making our number 3 spot not for the faint of heart. Woo! Oh! Number 2. Have you ever wanted to fly an aeroplane? Well, I always have, but I do imagine my flying skills being something like our next attraction, Spitfire. And just like flying a stunt plane, it's best not to be scared of heights or speed, as that 240-foot inversion amongst the 127 km/h speeds makes up for the shortness of this flight. Number 1. If you are scared of heights, speed, or length, then it is probably best to look away now, as swooping its way into our number 1 spot is none other than Falcons Flight, the world's tallest, fastest, and longest roller coaster. But even after watching it, if you do want to take it on, then be prepared for an exhilarating 640-foot, 155 miles per hour experience that not just a trip to Six Flags Qiddiya City, but the whole of Saudi Arabia would not be complete without.